If your Samsung Smart TV has started to feel slow, laggy, or keeps hanging, this quick guide will show you how to clear all the cache with Device Care option and without Device Care option. Let's get started. On your Samsung Smart TV remote, press the Home button and go to Settings. On this model, I'll move to the left-hand side panel, then scroll down to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see a quick Settings panel. Look for All Settings and select that. Now, on the All Settings page, scroll down to Support and select it. Next, go to Device Care and select it. Give it a few moments. Your TV will run a quick check. Now choose Start Device Care. Your TV will begin diagnosing itself. And here's what's important. It will free up memory by closing unused background apps, and it will also clear the cache automatically. Once the process is complete, if your TV detects any issues, they'll be shown here. But by this point, your cache has already been cleared and your TV should now feel much snappier. Now, if your Samsung TV doesn't have the Device Care option, don't worry, you can still clear cache data using a simple alternative method. Here's how. Restart the TV manually. Just unplug the power cord from the wall, wait about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This helps clear temporary cache data and can often fix small performance issues as well. Or use the TV's built-in web browser to clear browser cache via browser settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Samsung TV fixes.